Since 1961, over 550 people have been to space, which sounds like a lot of people, and the record for most times in space is currently 7, and that's held by NASA astronauts Jerry Ross and Franklin Chang Diaz. The big problem you have to worry about is that when you're in microgravity, a lot of the food will just float away if you're not careful. But when Tim Peake went up to the International Space Station in 2015, his first meal was a bacon sandwich. So a lot of an astronaut's time is spent doing science experiments in microgravity to understand a bit more about how space works. They also have to spend a lot of their time maintaining and repairing the International Space Station. And then they spend about 2 or 3 hours every day just exercising to keep their bodies at a high level of fitness. So for Tim Peake, the British astronaut, what he did is he came back in the Soyuz space capsule, and he, Tim Kopra and Yuri Malenchenko got into the Soyuz spacecraft and it fell back to Earth, taking about 3.5 hours. Then once they got back into the Earth's atmosphere, they released a massive parachute the size of 2 tennis courts, and that eventually slowed them down just enough so they could hit the ground with a soft thump. The big thing is that you need to be determined to try again and again, because only the very best become astronauts, but the very best are usually the people who want it most.